Let's talk about the distributive property. It's a useful property that's really simple, and you will need it in all levels of math. It goes something like this. So let's say we have an equation like this. This can be simplified by multiplying the a to both of these terms. So this will be ab plus ac. That's all it is. It can be applied in many different ways, and it can be used to solve math problems more easily. Let's say we want to multiply 5 with 17. You might not know what 5 times 17 is, but let's say you know what 5 times 15 is. You can simplify this to be 5 times 15 plus 2. So distributing the 5 will give us 75 plus 10. So this is just 85. Now there's more ways to use the distributive property. So let's say you have 3x squared plus 3x is equal to 12. And let's say you're trying to find what x is. What you can do is you can factor out the 3, so we have x squared plus x is equal to 12, and then you can divide both sides by 3. So x squared plus x is equal to 4. This is a little bit more simpler to deal with than this. Well, let's look at some more examples. Let's say you want to do 27 times 24. This can be extremely complicated, but you can simplify this into 25 plus 2 times 24. So this will be 25 times 24 plus 48. You can use the 25 trick, so this will be 600 plus 48, which is 648. You can perform all this in your head, and it's so much simpler than actually multiplying everything out. Let's look at another example. Except this time, instead of adding, let's subtract. So let's say we have 32 times 27. We can simplify this into 32 times 30 minus 3. This will be 32 times 30 minus 96, which is just 960 minus 96, which is equal to 864. So this is our final answer. Now, the distributive property can be a little bit complicated, so this requires a lot of practice.
I've linked a practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.